Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to download and install Rednote on your device. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Play Store app. For this tutorial we are going to be making use of Play Store app because it's an Android device. So the next thing you have to do is to click on your search option found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to type in Rednote. Typing in Rednote, you're going to see an option for you to install. Just like other devices are showing me option for me to install, but if you have not installed yours, you're going to see an option for you to install. You just have to click on it and install it. Or if you want to update yours, you can see the option for you to update. You just have to click on it and update the way it's surfacing on my device now. So guys, that's it on how to download and install Rednote on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.